Hello, I'm filming the birds, that come to eat on the greasy balls I've put in the trees. But I'm filming from inside because if I go too near the trees, they won't come. But I don't know if you'll see something because there are only a few and they're a bit far. Look, you see, they are coming to eat because there is a lot of snow and it's difficult for them to find food. And every winter there are a lot of birds who die because of cold and because of snow, and because it's difficult for them to find food. And yes, and the sky is full of snow. Oops, again, and it's gonna snow. It's gonna snow again today, and perhaps soon are gonna be snow in. So perhaps if you don't see me in the following days, it will be because I'm snowed in. Bye bye.